Welcome back to TechKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2. In a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target area in the formation of this wave 2, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.151 mark. And my primary scenario here on the GRT chart has been that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And at the time of this recording, we have also fully maximized our first target area in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you other target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video by first giving you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.171 mark, which is a target area at the time of this recording we have fully maximized. And since we are holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, there are chances that we are going to continue gearing up, break through the Fib level 1.618 once more, continue gearing up, and get to the next key area on the Fibonacci's, which is the Fib level 2.618, and that is at around the $0.1945 mark. So you need to have in mind that since we have fully maximized our target area in the formation of this wave 3, but we have not yet shown any signs of a cool-off, there are chances that GRT still has the potential to continue gearing up, break through the Fib level 1.618, which was our minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3, continue gearing up, and give us one more high in the formation of this wave 3 before we can start seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the GRT chart. I still expect further upside, give us one more high in the formation of this wave 3 before we can see that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and giving you the long-term outlook here on the GRT chart, basing it on this Elliot structure right here in red, where you can now see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 within this red target area down here, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.2325 mark. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliott wave count within the formation of the wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, where you can now see that here on the charts we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave of this Elliott wave structure right here in yellow, then a wave 2. Then my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3, where in the formation of this wave 3, because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And at the time of this recording, whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. Then once we complete the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3, we can expect the formation of that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 60 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a sharp decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.